Casement windows are a popular choice for Austin homes thanks to their clean design, excellent ventilation, and energy-efficient seal. Hinged on one side and operated with a crank, they open outward to catch breezes and close tightly to keep conditioned air inside. But like any part of your home, casement windows need proper care to perform their best, especially in Austin's hot summers, occasional storms, and fluctuating temperatures. With a few simple maintenance steps, you can extend the life of your casement windows and protect your investment for years to come. Clean the glass and frames regularly. Austin's dust, pollen, and summer storms can leave residue on your windows. Cleaning them regularly not only keeps them looking great but also prevents buildup that could affect performance. Use a mild soap and water solution with a soft cloth to clean the glass and frames. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive pads that could damage finishes or protective coatings. For vinyl or fiberglass frames, a gentle wipe down every few months is typically enough to maintain appearance and durability. Keep hinges and hardware in good condition. Casement windows rely on hinges and a crank mechanism to operate smoothly. Over time, dirt and debris can collect in these moving parts. Inspect hinges and cranks at least twice a year. If you notice stiffness or squeaking, apply a light silicone-based lubricant to keep everything moving freely. Avoid oil-based lubricants, which can attract dust and grime. Properly functioning hardware ensures your windows open fully and close tightly, preserving both ventilation and energy efficiency. Check and maintain weather stripping. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is their tight seal when closed. This seal depends on high-quality weather stripping around the frame. In Austin's heat, weather stripping can dry out or wear down over time. Inspect it periodically for cracks, gaps, or flattening. If you notice damaged weather stripping, replacing it promptly will prevent air leaks and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures during hot summers. Inspect seals and caulking. Austin's strong sun and occasional heavy rains can gradually wear down exterior caulking and seals. These materials protect your home from moisture intrusion and air leaks. Check the exterior perimeter of your casement windows for cracked or peeling caulk. Reapply sealant as needed to maintain a watertight barrier. Addressing small issues early prevents larger problems like water damage or mold growth. Clean and clear drainage channels. Casement windows are designed with drainage systems that help direct water away from the frame. Dust, leaves, and debris can sometimes block these channels. Periodically inspect and clear any buildup to ensure proper drainage. This simple step helps prevent moisture from accumulating around the window frame. Protect against sun exposure. Austin's intense sunlight can cause fading or wear over time. While modern casement windows are built to withstand UV exposure, keeping blinds or curtains partially closed during peak sun hours can help protect both your windows and interior furnishings. If your windows include low-E glass coatings, they already help reflect infrared heat and block harmful UV rays, adding another layer of protection. Schedule professional inspections. Even with regular homeowner maintenance, periodic professional inspections are beneficial. A trained expert can identify early signs of hardware wear, seal failure, or alignment issues. Professional maintenance ensures your casement windows continue to operate efficiently and safely. Long-term comfort and performance. Casement windows are a valuable feature in Austin homes, offering strong ventilation and energy efficiency. With routine cleaning, hardware care, and seal inspections, you can extend their lifespan and maintain their performance. Taking a proactive approach to maintenance protects your investment and keeps your home comfortable year-round, no matter how hot the Texas sun gets. With proper care, your casement windows will continue to enhance your Austin home for many years to come.